Hello everybody, my name is Cinzia Frigo. I am from Italy, but I live in South America, Uruguay, where I met last July 2017 Mr. Kerron as a partner of an Erasmus project. I represent Magistra Foundation that works to increase cultural and economic interchange. What I can appreciate about Kerron, I appreciate his professionalism and intelligence and pragmatism. A person able to surround himself with qualified and professional collaboration. Thanks to Kerron and his excellent team. Bye bye.